Alright, looks on Kirby. Let's see what's going on. Let's see what's going on. What's going on? What's going on? Got him out here again, Mama? They gonna eat that hard food, Mama? I could go sneak y'all a can out here. I just love little kittens. I hope that they get to grow up. Y'all getting too far apart. I can't keep y'all all in the frame. Don't you follow your mommy. You go back. There you go. Good boy. Good girl. You smart. You just better get in there. You better get in there and be safe, okay? Okay? Alright, they gotta get in. You're doing a good job, Mama.